Minglava, hi, my name is Khay, and today I would like to present my topic, how might artificial intelligence affect employment within the hospitality sector. So AI or artificial intelligence is changing almost every industry around the world. And the hospitality sector is one of the industrial experiencing major transformations. And some people believe AI will improve efficiently and create new opportunity for our people. And why other people are worried that it may replace human worker and reduce employment opportunity. So today I will discuss both the positive and negative impact of AI and employment in hospitality sector. I will explain how AI is used in hotel and airline, provide real experience or real example from the industrial, share my personal perspective as a future hospitality professional, and provide recommendation for the future. And this is our agenda. Today presentation have six parts. First, I will explain what artificial intelligence is. And second, I will discuss why AI have become important in hospitality. And third, I will explain how AI is being used in hotel and airline. And the fourth one, I will analyze the positive and negative impact of AI on employment. And then I will discuss case study and share my personal perspective. And finally, I will provide recommendation and conclude my presentations. So let's start it. So for the first one is what is AI? So before discussing the impact of AI, we first need to understand what AI actually means. Oh, AI or artificial intelligence refer to a computer system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, recognize the pattern, understanding language, and making decisions. So this is all a human like intelligence. Unlike the traditional software that only follow the traditional instruction, AI can analyze a large amounts of data, learn from information, and improve its performance over time. And today, AI is already part of our daily life. For example, we watching a Netflix, they will have a recommend a movie based on our interest. And Google Map predict the faster work for us. And GPT can answer questions using artificial intelligence technology. So this is all related to the AI. So according to PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. It's showing the growing importance of this technology. In hospitality, AI is mainly used as narrow AI, meaning it performs specific tasks such as like customer serving, booking management, and data analysis. And however, it cannot fully replace human emotion, creativity, and the judgment. And this to move to the next slide, we're gonna see with why AI is matter. So why have AI become more so important in hospitality? There are four main reasons. First is the labeled shortage. The hospitality industrial needs to manage many complex activities day every day, like including reservations, customer communication, pricing, and staff scheduling. So to find those kind of people who have a real ability to manage that, it is really less or rare to see that. So it's become a shortage for the hospitality industrial. So AI will help business analyze information faster, reduce the error that can become in the future, and improve daily operation. And the second one is higher guest expectation. Guest expectation are changing, like traveler like our Gen Z. So they expect fast response, personal experience, and support at any time. They need like a support like a 24 hours all the day, all time, all day, all night. And many customers prefer digital service such as online booking, mobile check-in, and instant like communication with hotel and airline. And the third one is need for efficiency. Business needs to improve productivity and reduce unnecessary costs. AI can help company manage resources more efficiently by predicting customer demand, optimizing set schedule, and improving decision making. And finally is digital transformation. Digital transformation is becoming essential and necessary in the global hospitality industrial. like a hotel and airline, they that adapt new technology can provide more convenient serving, understanding customer behavior more better than before, and remains competitive in rapidly changing market. Therefore, AI is becoming not just an optional tool, but is an important part of modern hospitality management. So if we move to the next slide, we're going to see AI in hotel. So now let's look at how AI is used in hotel. One common example is AI chatbot. Instead of waiting for a hotel stop, guests can receive an immediately answer about room available or not, like a hotel facilitator and the restaurant opening hours and booking information. A real example is a Houghton AI-powered chatbot called Connie, developed with IPM Watson's technology. Connie helps guests receive information quickly and allows employees to focus on more complex guest requirements. And another example is mobile check-in and digital room key. Companies such as Marathon International allow guests to check into mobile application, reducing waiting time at receptions. Some hotels also use smart room technology when guests can control lighting, temperature, television, other facilities to voice command or mobile device like a Siri or like a Alexa like that. And AI is also used for dynamic pricing. Like a hotel analyze the customer demand, season, holiday, and booking pattern to decide suitable room price and increase revenues for the hotel. And this technology improve efficiently, but they also change the role of hospitality employment. And if we move to the next slide again, we're gonna see AI in airlines. AI is also transforming the airline industry. One important application is flight scheduling. AI analyze the weather conditions, air traffic, and aircraft availability to help the airline reduce delay and improve operations. And another use is customer support. Many airlines use AI chatbot to answer questions about the flight schedule, booking change, and baggage information. For example, like a KLM use AI technology to assess the passenger with common questions and reducing pursuit on customer serving team. And AI also improved baggage tracking by allowing passengers to receive update about their luggage locations. And another important implication is predictive maintenance. By analyzing aircraft data, AI can identify possible technical problems before they become seriously, improving safely and reducing unexpected delay. But however, even with this technology, human employment remains essential and really necessary. Like especially in situations requiring a communication, decision making, and emotional support. This is really needs to be a human job, like a human employment. So if we move to the next one, we're going to see the positive impact of AI on employment. So now let's discuss the positive impact of AI on employment. So the first benefit is increase efficiently. AI can automate repeatedly tasks such as reservations, data entry, and scheduling. This allows employees to spend more time on tasks that require human skill. Like for example, like instead of spending hours organizing booking information, hotel employee can focus on improving guest relationship and solving customer problem. And the second benefit is improved guest experience. AI can analyze customer preference and provide personalized service. For example, hotel can remember a guest preference, room type, food preference, or previous requirements, creating a more customized experience. And the third benefit is the creation of new jobs. Although some traditional positions may decrease, AI creates a new job opportunity, such as AI specialists, data analysis, and cybersecurity experts and digital system manager. So therefore, AI is not only replaying certain tasks, but also creating a new area of employment. So if we move to the next slide, we're going to see the opposite one with the positive impact, which is negative impact of AI on employment. Yet, like the AI will create more opportunity and more career for the people, but also creating a challenging for the employer. The bigger concern is job displacement. Some routine positions, such as receptionist and reservation clerk and call center employee may face challenge because AI assistant can perform many basic tasks automatically. For example, for example, we can see the online booking system which will reduce the need for some traditional customer service activity. And employment must learn how to work with AI technology. Workers who cannot adapt may face difficult in the future job market. And they are also private concern, like a hotel collect large amount of customer information, so business must carefully protect personal data. And finally, AI implementation can be expensive. Like large company may afford advanced technology, but smaller hotel may face with a struggle because of high cost technology. So therefore, AI create both opportunity and challenge for the hospitality employment. So to make it more understandable and clear, I have bring some like a case study. The first one is hotel case study. So look at the hotel at an example. So the Hannan Hotel in Japan become famous for using robot in hotel operations. Robot were used for tasks such as gate check-in assistant, information serving, and luggage support. This example showed that robot can successfully complete simple and rapidly tasks. However, the hotel experience also demonstrates that technology cannot completely replace human hospitality. Many guests still value friendly communication, maintenance, and personal attention. So this shows that AI works best when it supports employment rather than completely replacing them. And the next one is we were gonna see the airline case study, and the airline industry will provide another a lot of example like AI help airline improving scheduling, predict delay, and manage operation more efficiently. However, but cabin crew member remain extremely really important for the airline. Like during emergency, passenger need like a calm leadership, communication, and emotional support for them. So AI cannot comfort a nervous passenger, manage and expect conflict, or make a complex decision based on human emotion like that. Therefore, human judgment remain a key part of airline servicing. So if we move to the next slide, we can see my perspective, how I see the AI or artificial intelligence, how they influence the hospitality sector. So this topic is really meaningful to me because my career goal is to become either a hotel manager or the carpet crew. So some people worry that AI will replace these career or not. In my personally, I see that it not it cannot happening. I do not believe that AI will completely replace hospitality professional. Hospitality is based on the human relationship. Guests do not remember the serving they receive with the technology like that AI. They remember how employer make them feel. I like a quality like such as empathy, kindness, cultural understanding, communication, and problem solving are difficult for AI to replace the human. As a future hospitality professional, I believe we should not compete against the AI. Instead, we should learn how to work together with it. A successful hospitality manager in the future will need both excellent service skill and technology knowledge. So technology should support hospitality, not replace the human connections with the hospitality sector. So if we move to the next slide, we're going to see the recommendation that I have prepared and suggestion that I give to the hospitality sector. So based on the discussing, I would like to suggest four recommendations. The first one is train and prime. Like a hospitality company should provide AI training or for employment so they can develop new technology and digital skill. So if they learn that skill, they can improve their self too, and they will have a both win-win situation. Like I'll also get a skill that can make me sustainable in the future, and also I will use this skill to make your company success than before, like that. And the second one is invest responsibly. As business should invest in AI responsibly and choose technology that will improve survey quality rather than only reducing labor cost. It means that you need to choose the technology that will make your company better, and getting better, not just to think to reduce the labor cost like that. It's nothing into like that. And the third one is common, and the third one is use AI ethnically. The third one is mean like company must use AI ethically by protecting customer privacy and personal information. So it means if you're using the AI, you need to protect the personal information of the customer, not to go to leak because it's your job. So if you leak and if you make it leak, boom, your company is bye bye. And the last one is balancing the technology and people. Like a business should maintain a balance between technology and human interaction. Like it doesn't mean it mean like you doesn't need to like a hire a lot of employment to your company like that. It doesn't work. It doesn't mean that you need to have a lot of like advanced technology to make your company more like interesting and make your company successful. It doesn't mean that you need to invest and you need to balancing the humans and the human employment and the technology, make it balance so it can more sustainable in the future. And the last message I want to give it, education institutions should also including the digital skill and AI knowledge in hospitality program because future worker needs to understand both technology and customer serving. That's it. So to conclude my presentation, I have prepared a conclusion. So, to conclude it, artificial is transforming employment within the hospitality sector. AI improve efficiently, reduce the repeatedly task, increasing the productivity and create a better customer experience. At the same time, it's changing the traditional job and require employment to develop new skill and this means train the new skill for the employment. And I believe that AI will transform hospitality job rather than eliminate them completely. The future of hospitality is not human versus AI. It is human working with AI to provide faster service, better experience, and meaningful connection with the guest or the customer. And technology can improve the hospitality, but human compassion will always remain its foundation. So really, thank you very much for your time and for your attention. Really, thank you.